Hey guys, and today we're gonna be playing some Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. And today, look, as you can see, guys, I'm almost getting diamond. See, I already got gold for that, for the Reaver, for the Banshee. I already got gold. And what's this gonna call? Yeah, I also have gold. See, DCM8. And now all I need is the rank 9 or whatever it's called. See, I almost got diamond. I just need one more gold, one more camo. It says get 3 kills without dying, which is better than bloodthirsty. So I just need 3 more. 3 kills without dying and I'm done. Let's go to team deathmatch because teammates helps with the UAV. Yeah. Let me put it on. Got counter UAV. Yeah, these 3 help. And this might help so that they don't really follow you. And also I can't remember. Let's get started. Sometimes I range so easy in multiplayer. No! Oh my god! Don't get me started on you. Sorry, I was doing something. You just gotta be behind them. That's all I gotta do. See if that works. Got 1, 2 more. Then I get that point. It's not really a point. No? Okay, let's not go there. I'm gonna die. Okay, got 1. Got 3 kills without dying. I just need 2 more. I think. Did I get the last kill? Freak, I forgot to put the launcher. Because of the counter UAV. I hope they don't have a UAV. Already? That's dumb. Okay, yeah, so we're back. That actually did count. 3 kills without dying. Now I just need 2 more 3 kills without dying. Like, you guys know what I mean? Because I know what I mean. And we pulled my favorite map, Genesis or whatever it's called. I also like the baseball field. I don't know what it's called. I haven't checked. Got 1. And I just had a die. Look! 1 just respawned right there. What was he shooting? The floor. Oh no, don't get me started on you. Oh no. Run! Okay, let's go here. 1. No, 1 is after me! 2. I'm gonna go back. Oh no, no, no! No! I almost died. Oh, it sounds so annoying. No! Okay, I just need 1 more 3 kills without dying. 1 more and then I get diamond. 1. Come on, 2 more so I can get diamond. I die, restart. Yep, restart. I'm in a road to diamond. Not really because it didn't take a long time. But still a road, I think. Road to Diamond Canyon. With the shotguns, because I like shotguns. Motherfucker. No! Hey, look, that ass. Just move. Oops. sorry. What do I say? Got one though. And oh, that was a waste. Free. Wait, it says that. Me. Wait, no. No. Why did I jump? Oh, one more. Please! Why? Oh my god, you stupid flying shit. Okay, now I gotta restart. That was awful. And look, there's always one behind me because he wants to smell my butt. One. Let's be right here. I'm not gonna turn around like this because then they're gonna see my one gun. Okay. Need one more. Again. There's one right there. I'm not gonna get him. He's too far. Gotta need someone that's close because. Ah! Oh, you freakers! Stupid. No, you always call people stupid. Make me mad at COD. So easy. What am I doing? Just. Why, you stupid? Oh, that's even worse. Oh wait, it was already. Yeah, use your launcher. Destroy that UAV. Oh wait, he just said to destroy it. How does he know I'm right there? Oh my. This always happens. I'm a camp. Oh, I can't stand them. And look, every time I press, I always do this. That's retarded. That makes it worse. You're gonna die. I meant to do this. Wow, I was gonna die there anyways. And look, this guy thought I was an enemy. This is annoying.
Enemy UAV.
Why? Oh, I'm dead. I shouldn't have done that. At least I didn't get a kill. See? And look, there's always one behind me. What the hell? Freaking retards. Him. It's not very close. Wow, I was gonna die because of this faggot. What the hell? Why you guys keep... Watch out! No. Ah. Okay, sorry for calling you stupid, retarded. Sorry, enemies. Ooh, are you... Is it okay if I'm not going that way. Wait, you can still do it when that happens? Did I get diamond? Oh, I think I did. I got gold. Wait, I think I got diamond. I just didn't see it because I died. Every time I get a camo, I die. I think I got it, guys. It just didn't show up because I died, I think. I just saw a little bit of blue. Let's see if it's true.
Rest and recuperate.
Why am I wrong? I did get diamond! Okay, so we got neon tiger, or whatever how you say it. We got gold, and diamond looks awesome. Oh my god, it's not really diamond, it's more like reflective. But it's still cool though. I like it. And look in the suppressor, there's a little bit. I use the suppressor so that they don't kill me quicker. You know. Got diamond for every shotgun. Boy. That's awesome. Let me see all the weapons. Let me go to custom games or something like that. And I'll show you how diamond looks like. But first, I'll show you on these. Yep. Diamond. I can't, my controller's busted right now because of how it is. Diamond looks awesome. What about the Banshee? Stop going down. Nice. What about this? Whatever this gun is called, I don't want to say it. Nice. It doesn't really cover the whole gun, but it'll do. Like gold. Oh wait, it's just like this camo. But better. This gun. This is better. Why does it keep doing that? Okay, let me show you all the diamond camos. Go with Banshee. Put diamond camo. I'm gonna go with this gun first. Diamond camo. And last shotgun, my favorite, my rank 19. Why do I keep calling it 19? It's 9. This is weird. By the way, I got it. Yes! Diamond? Yes! Wait, first off, let's see if it's in here. What do you got? Shotgun? Why did I delete it? Let's go one by one. It works! I thought it wasn't. Okay, so guys, you could also put on custom games. Nice. I'm gonna put on custom games because there's no people. Sorry for doing this again, guys. It'll go faster. This is confusing. That gun. I think I'll put the camera in a second. Ooh, I'm so fast. Got diamond. Let's put it on Genesis because it's the brightest. I think that was my favorite map. By the way, I can't wait for this, guys. This diamond is awesome looking. I should take a screenshot like right now. I'll do it later. First off, let's see how diamond camo looks like. It doesn't matter if I put a limited time, at least I'm just gonna show you a little bit. Wait, I don't wanna see it yet. Wait, it's okay, I can't even see it in the dark. First off, it looks nice. A little bit, but maybe in the bright looks better. Let's check it out. It looks cool right now. Like this. Oh, it looks good on this side, never mind. Yep, there's a little bit on the gun, where the sight is. Yeah. Shoot. Yep. Awesome. Oh wait, there's a little bit on the magazine. See? Now on the Banshee. Nice. Oh, there's a little bit on the sight too. Nice. There you go, more space. Didn't even slide. Nice. Let's see. It reloads different if I shoot all of them. Yep. One more. That's where it goes. And then slide with this gun. And the brightness. Oh, this looks awesome. Now let me die. Whee! Oh no. Oh my gun looks awesome right there. See on this gun. This gun is good, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, there's diamond on the magazine. Or not really. Oh wait, there is. A little bit, it shines. Yep. Can you see? There's a little bit on the right there. You see it? Yeah, really nice looking. Try sliding. It doesn't show a lot. Now this gun. Oh, this gun looks beautiful like this. Diamond looks awesome. Better than gold, actually. Black Ops 3, they did a great job on diamond. Also in Advanced Warfare, but I don't know about Advanced. Yep, this is reflective actually. Not diamond, but I'll call it diamond. It's better, I like it. There's a little pump action. Let me shoot all the bullets. So you can see it longer. Oh, looks really nice. Yep, so it goes like that. Sliding. No, like this. Oh my god, this gun is the best looking, actually. So yeah, guys, that's it. Right, just a little bit on the... Oh, that looks nice. On all of the weapons. Let me know down below, guys, which one is your... I made a flip. Which one is your favorite, shotgun looking in diamond? Like, which one looks better in diamond? That's what I meant. I think it's the rank 9. The last shotgun. Or this one, I don't know. Or it's just with more in the gun. Yeah. Yo, my god, this gun looks awesome. All of the guns do in diamond. They were probably the easiest ones to do. But that's it for today, guys. And I hope y'all... That's it for today, guys. I finally got diamond camo. I'm kind of happy right now. And like and subscribe, everyone. And I'll see you next time. Peace.